Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello dear kids, I am your English teacher Nupur Chandra. Welcomes you all in our channel Sims Official. So as these days we are learning about the grammar exercises of your MCB book. So today I am going to teach you the new lessons grammar exercise, and that is of lesson 4. In this exercise we will talk about a contrast of two lessons, and these tenses are the difference between present perfect and past perfect. As these two sentences usually confuse kids a lot. So in today's class, we will make all the confusions clear. First, we will talk about the present and past perfect together. Both present perfect and past perfect talk about something that happened before a point in time, and that time is known as reference time. Now the question is that what is reference time? Reference time होता क्या है बच्चों? Reference time is the time जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, जिसका हम नोटिफिकेशन दे रहे हैं कि उस टाइम से पहले. Now present and past perfect tense, our reference point is present in present perfect and past in past perfect. It's a very usual thing, it's a very simple thing that in present perfect tense we give the reference point of present, मतलब कुछ ऐसा जो present से शुरू हुआ, and past perfect कुछ ऐसा जो past से शुरू हुआ. Now we will talk about present perfect tense especially. An action that started in past and continues to present. Now, what you need to do? You need to make one thing very much clear, that we are saying that started in past and continues to the present. हम ये बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रहे बच्चों कि कोई चीज़ अभी चल रही है. अगर हम ऐसा बोलेंगे मतलब हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड कीप दिस थिंग इन योर ब्रेन वेरी क्लियरली. हम बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ ऐसा जो कभी शुरू हुआ, चला और अभी तक चला, और बिल्कुल अभी अभी उसका फिनिशिंग हुआ है. हम ख़त्म नहीं बोल रहे हैं. एंड द एग्जाम्पल इज आई हैव लिव्ड इन द सिटी फॉर 6 months. तो यहाँ हम कहने का मतलब है कि मैं इस सिटी में 5 या 6 महीने रहा हूँ. ओके. नेक्स्ट, एन एक्शन दैट हैपेंड बिफोर अनस्पेसिफाइड टाइम. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हम कभी भी कोई भी स्पेसिफाइड टाइम की बात नहीं करते हैं, मतलब हम कोई भी डिजिट टाइम में नहीं देते हैं. So this is all about present perfect. Now, one thing what we need to make more clear, in present perfect tense we use the helping verb have and has. Have we use with plural and has we use with singulars. And with these two helping verbs we use the third form of verb, and this form of verb is known as past participle form of verb. Now we will talk about the past perfect tense, an action that happened before a time in past. Now when we are saying before a time in past, that means, so in past perfect tense हम usually दो sentences को merge करते हैं. एक, जब हम बताते हैं कि कोई काम past में already finish हो गया, और फिर हम यूज़ करते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई अराइव्ड एट द ऑफिस दिस मॉर्निंग I discovered that I had left my computer on the night before. So here we are using two tenses together. हम बता रहे हैं कि I had left my computer on the night before. मैं पहली रात को ही अपना कंप्यूटर वहाँ छोड़ चुका था. ओके, एंड हम यूज करते हैं यहाँ पर दो टेंसेस का एक साथ. So this is all about past perfect tense. And the helping verb what we usually use in past perfect tense is had, either plural or singular. And third form of verb that's known as past participle form. So बच्चों, to make this topic much more clear, I will give you one more video related to this.
Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.